If you want to enable Hey Google voice assistant on your Google Pixel 10 or 10a, so first simply swipe up and find your Google app, so this over here, click on it, and then click on your profile picture here, so the text or whatever you have, and then click Settings, click Google Assistant, Voice Match, and make sure to enable it over here. Also, we are going to need to train up basically the assistant to recognize our voice. So yep, let's turn it on. Agree. Okay, Google, help me write a thank you note. Okay, Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Hey Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Okay, and done. You can skip this, you do not need to agree to this stuff you do not want, and you see it should work now. So then simply let's say, hey Google. So you see it works obviously straight away. For example, hey Google, set a timer for 6 minutes.
I have set a timer for 6 minutes.
So you see it set it.
Go off at 6:17.
Okay, so you see all good. Okay, like